Hello everyone, and welcome to our update on the 11th of June 2024. So today we saw quite a cloudy day in the end with some bright spells at times, especially there in Munster. Now this evening we will see skies clearing overnight especially in those western and southern areas, but some cloud will remain in the east and north. Now tomorrow we will see bright sunshine early on in Munster and Connacht, but it will stay cloudier for most of the day in the east and northeast of the country. In the evening though, we'll see a veil of high cloud pushing in from the west, and that will be followed by an area of rain pushing in from the Atlantic Ocean. So Thursday is therefore a wet day with widespread rain and gusty winds. That clears through on Friday to leave a day of sunshine and showers, some heavy at times with some hail and thunder in places there. On Saturday, again, showery day, some big downpours around, and on Sunday, we see a rather dry day for many areas, but some rain will push down into the north towards the afternoon. So here is the temperature forecast from UKV. So today we saw quite a chilly day with highs in the low to mid teens. And tonight we'll see lows getting down to around 5 to 8 degrees. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we'll see highs getting up to around 13 to 18 Celsius. 18 degrees possible there in Limerick, so quite a big improvement on recent days. Tomorrow night, we'll see lows above 10 degrees thanks to the rain coming in. And Thursday, it'll be raining, yes, but oh my god, it'll be chilly with many areas in Leinster and Connacht, and also getting between 11 and 14 Celsius only, and in Munster between 15 and 17. Through into Friday morning, lows of around 10 degrees. In the afternoon, again, no better really than about 11 to 15 Celsius, so very chilly temperatures coming up. Saturday a bit warmer there in the southeast, before on Sunday, again, starting chilly, but ending up actually a bit warmer than recent days, especially there in the east and Midlands. But yes, definitely a very cool few days coming up. So here's the NAO next observatory forecast, and also cool and wet as well. So we're currently, again, strongly negative with the index, but it'll go more neutral over the end of the week, but it'll go back to being quite strongly negative around mid-June. Now just to show you, just a little stats from June so far. So this is the central, it does say England temperature. It's just the temperature, an average every day. It's recorded in an area in England, and it's averaged over a whole month. But since England and Ireland, right, have similar weather, I think it's fairly accurate even for Ireland. So how this works is that we have the month here, the CET value here for the month, the temperature as a whole, and the anomaly to average. And if we are only partway through a month like June, it's only the average is only accounted for up till June 10th. That was yesterday. So as you can see, January had a CET of 4.7. That was 0.9 of a degree above average. We had an exceptionally mild February at 7.8. That was 4 degrees above average. Really warm February. Now March, 8.1 degrees, 2.5 Celsius above average. April at 9.6 degrees at 1.7 degrees above average. May, very warm May at 14.1 at 2.9 Celsius above average. 14 Celsius CET Mays are quite rare. And June so far is only at 12.4, which is 1.7 degrees below average. So it's been a very chilly first 10 days of June. This CET value is still dropping, by the way. Yes, it's in the 12s. We might even get down into the 11s if this weather keeps going. But I don't think that will end in the 11s, because I think that the end of the month might hold some warm weather. Well, at least some warmer weather compared to now, pretty much. But yes, showing you that June, for the first 10 days, is quite a lot cooler, or chillier than average, after a very warm May and year in general, really. bar January. January was a bit colder. But yes, very interesting stat there. Here, I mean, it's very rare to see a negative anomaly. It's very, very rare to see a negative anomaly nowadays on this chart. It's almost always positive. I'm pretty sure the last time we had a negative CT anomaly was in December of 22. Yeah, pretty sure that was that. Okay, so moving on to our GFS. GFS run was here. Okay, so again, cool and dry on Wednesday, but that is the last of the dry weather. It will go wet, but stay cool on Thursday and Friday. Thursday will be a blustery day with heavy rain. Friday will be showery and cool. Same with Saturday, that dartboard low of the country. By Sunday, winds are going northerly again, so it's going even cooler. Big blocking high by Monday, northerly winds, showery, and that low just keeps going and keeps going through next week. Now, towards the solstice, again, it's still cool, but beyond the solstice, we get the Azores high trying to come in. So we do go into a different pattern after the solstice with a high to the south, and it does come over us actually. So we get a warm and dry spell in the final third of June here. So that's a big improvement there. Before we see more low pressure in the mix there, and that is probably a hint of thunderstorms. So here is the ECM. So the ECM again tomorrow is cool and dry. And through to Thursday, we see blustery winds and heavy rain. Friday is showery, some heavy, some storms, but quite cool. Same with Saturday, same with Sunday, same with Monday. Northerly winds by then. Tuesday, northerly winds, showery. Wednesday is still cool and showery. Thursday is a bit less cool, a bit warmer, but wet. And Friday is just westerly, flat as a pancake. Just Atlantic stuff. So here is the GEM. GEM, again, tomorrow is the last of the cool and dry days, and by Thursday we see heavy rain coming in there from the west, and through to the end of the week. Again, just that dartboard low over us over the weekend. On Monday, it edges towards our east, and down comes the northerly winds. That's a very chilly start next week there. Our upper temperatures are quite chilly. That's a big block, by the way, to our west. And then it just stays, that low just stays in place up until next Thursday. And by next Friday, again, pattern change, westerly winds. But unless that high pressure actually comes up northwards, we won't see anything overly decent, but temperatures will recover. So here is the UK Met run. UK Met, again, blustery and wet on Thursday. Friday is showery and cool. Saturday, Sunday, same, just dartboard low. Northerly winds by Monday, Tuesday, and on it goes. So, apart from the GFS after the solstice does go warmer, drier, but none of the other ones show it. But admittedly, none of the other ones actually go really far into the early 20th of June, that much. So we don't know if that Azores high would actually come northwards in reality. If we could go further. So here's the icon. Again, cool and dry tomorrow, but enjoy that while it lasts, because it'll be blustery and wet on Thursday, and even cooler, especially in the east, under rain all day. Keep going, and that low just keeps hanging around over us, and it just, by next Wednesday, that low is over us into our east, and down comes the northerly winds. A very cool, chilly, and wet June here. It's very rare to have this, and here is the arpege, last but not least. Again, tomorrow, high pressure in charge, little ridge, flattened off by Thursday with that deep low coming in, and by Friday, Saturday, that low is in charge and is not going anywhere anytime fast. It's like last summer. Last summer's July and August was like this. Now it's June, so hopefully we see an improvement in July and August, but yeah. Here we go, guys. Just digest that. There's nothing warm and dry on the cards unless you believe the GFS run, but that could be an outlier. Out of interest, we will see the 6 a.m. run from about June 20th onwards, so let's find that. Okay, so again, it's cool and wet around the solstice, and it goes westerly, so yes, temperatures would rise, but it stays and settles with with that low to the west, sending in moisture-laden winds from southwest with plenty of rain. Bear in mind, high pressure is to our south, yes, but it's to our south. It's not coming near us. It's warm and dry to our east over like Spain, France, continent, but not us in that. But not us in that scenario. We keep going, and it's warmer, yes, but as I said, sorry guys, but as I said, it is wet. Everyone, thanks for watching. Well, enjoy this. Summer is young. There is more hope. And bye for now.